Hello friends, I am Rishikesh Zogekar, pet parent of Kiko. He is a Labrador Retriever. So today we are going to work on a specific problem. I won't call it a problem, but obsession with bottles. He gets very obsessed with bottles. He picks them up and then he wants to play with it all the time when on walks or anywhere we go. So today we are going to work on it. Kiko!
I just wanted to make a tune that you and me can fall in love today. I would hope that you and
Hey, welcome back to Dog Mantra. So आज का हमारा टॉपिक है how to handle a dog with toy obsession. So today we are not exactly dealing with toy obsession, but we are dealing with a different type of obsession. The obsession is basically about plastic bottles. So let's see how it's going and how we're going to deal with it. But let's take it ahead. Sorry, we're a little bit tired. Barish bahut thi. We got very much, impatient and frustrated. But yeah, we're back on our tracks and we are shooting this.
I just wanted to make a tune that
So today what we are doing is we are creating a simulation where we've put two bottles on the ground and we're just going to see how he's reacting to that, and then we're going to get right on with him and kind of deal with that obsession. So let's see how it goes. Is if you can see in the video, he's going for both the bottles, so it's not that he's playful, he's excited, but at the same time he's obsessed about it. So, and I wouldn't say he's resource guarding it, but he's definitely obsessed about it, and obsession leads to resource guarding in future if the dog is a little bit on an insecure dominant side. Luckily, Kiko is more of a happy-go-lucky guy and he's not that, insecure about things and all. So it's purely obsession, but it shouldn't be there, in fact. Okay, so let's see how we're going to deal with it. Okay, so see what's happening is he is not at all guarding it or anything, he's purely obsessed about it. Relax. Hey. Okay, so once you remove the object, hey, relax. Sit. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to remove, usually हम क्या करते हैं, object निकाल लेते हैं, we throw the object out. Okay, what we do is at that same time, he is highly excited about it, right? And if you remove it more, वो excitement में वो trapped रहेगा, correct? So what we want him to do is basically ignore it. Relax. Good boy. So I want that focus from him, not to look at that. Okay, so before dealing it directly with him, what I would like to tell you as a tip, that on the walks how you should handle him. Now you know a lot about leash guidance and everything, so just for us to capture it, I'll just show it once. So you have a martingale, great tool. How we've done in leash guidance previously, that the position of the tool has to be there, your timing should be apt and appropriate. So let's just put it again back here. Relax. Hey. Sit. Relax. See that fixation? That fixation leads to obsession. When you give him food and all that, how is his focus?
So
fixated on the...
So if I say him to stay, we'll even stay for 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, but...
Give him the eat command. Yeah.
But that...
No, he is focused on me.
He's focused on you. Perfect. So basically this is purely obsession. He's coming from a typically obsessed point of view. Is it with any other things apart from plastic bottles?
No.
Yeah, so plastic bottle is something that it's probably the sound. Hey. Come here. Good boy. Let's go. Yes. So what we'll do is, I'm again going to go and walk. Cool. So what I'll do is, I'll just go in and I'll walk him back. Come on. So look at his head. see that 1 second where he is not even alert, obsessed. Relax. Good boy. Obsessed behavior mein, it's so normal behavior mein the fixation goes like this. The ears come in front, and then वो body इसका सिर्फ eyesight से move होता है because he's already obsessed about it. He just sees and he's going. So the moment, the second his eye moves from the position, so then it's much easier to control him rather than him going or probably एक बार lunge हो जाता है and that time you correct, so it's a little difficult. Come on, we'll do it one more time. Come here. Let's go. See, look at him. Relax. See, it's easier for him to stop. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Relax. Good boy. Sit. Yes. Yes. But then again, when you give affection, ये होता है. Right, because you, that's what I say. So the reason I did that is to see how quickly he goes back into this excited state. He's like a typical happy-go-lucky middle of the pack. Perfect, the one who keeps all the pack together. Happy-go-lucky guy.
Yes.
So for him, everything is fairyland. सब jolly है, right? Hey, see that fix it. Hey. Okay, I'll take him a little यहाँ पे. चलेगा ना? Relax. So now what I'm going to ask him is walk past by. Relax. Yes. So he himself is going to make that sound. Hey, relax. और उसको ना सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रिगर क्या करता है ना? Sight and the sound. The sound is more. Relax. Sit. Good boy. So that touch is just to snap him out of it. So the only thing with this activity I'm looking for to achieve is he has to give it up. Relax. And he will. His response time is amazing. So the less intensity. Got in. Hey, sit. See, this is all begging, resisting. So I'm just raising the bar. Good boy. This is just a possibility, right? It's not like a fix. See, then he goes for it. This you have to practice it again and again. So one more thing I'll do, then I want you to do it. Come up. Relax. Yeah. So you've taught him that stay, right? Yes. You see that? Superly aroused. Excitement turns to arousal. That turns to अभी इसमें dominance and insecurity ज़्यादा नहीं है. So that turns for him into a little bit of anxiety state. When he goes into lip licking होता है ना, so he gets a little bit, anxious of what should I do with that energy. ठीक हो? Stay. Hey, relax. So जब ऐसे पकड़ ले, तो what do? You remove it?
Yeah, because I have no other option.
Yeah. So when you remove it, then what do you do? Now here, a lot of people make the mistake. We remove the object, probably physically or however we do that, and then we remove the object completely away from him. So what happens is he's already excited. You remove the object, and then you completely discard the object. What happens after that is the dog is still excited and the object is removed. So the next time he sees the object, the value is increased. So what you have to do is you have to decrease the value of the object. Now there's a different approach I want you to practice.
Okay.
Okay, when you, hey, relax. See, this stays here.
Okay.
It's just that I was kind of giving my energy to him. इसके बाद object नहीं हिलेगा. Hey, relax. Object वहीं गिरेगा नीचे, and he has to control, and then we have to walk away. Come on.
Okay.
So probably you can just, I don't want you to practice it much, but as an emergency you can just, just halka sa. It's like a touch, just a tap. Come on. Sit. See, now he's like, but he's focused, right?
Yeah.
I'll let him have it. Come on. Go. Right? Sit. So again, suppose you don't have collar or anything, you just hey, you hold it, but खींचना नहीं है, right? He leaves it. You put probably a little bit of hey, relax. और ये hey, hey, yeah, hey, relax. Sit. No. So, okay, I don't want you to do that touch, but you can just block with the other hand.
Okay.
Right, block and let him stop. Then you drop the object, let him, look at you. Then use spatial pressure move and let him back off with the object. And let him go a little far and then make him sit. Sit. Yes, good boy. So we have removed the toy from his mouth. I put it down back. And what I'm doing is I'm letting him back off. So I'm making the value less for him and I'm asking him to give space to the object. So he starts being respectful about it. Okay, so that is what happens in desensitization. That is what claiming is all about. And then of course we ask Kiko's parent to do it, and that's where the training comes in. Training is for the human. I train him how to do the leash guidance. I correct him wherever he's being too tensed, where his hand is being like this, he's being a little tense. So I ask him to put his hand down, relax it out, because the base of communication is your energy body language. You have to remember that you have to be calm, confident, assertive, and you have to be happy and proud about what you're doing with your dog. So with this, we've dealt with toy obsession today, especially the bottle obsession for him, and I've given a little bit of homework for Rishikesh to practice with Kiko, and we hope he makes it through, and I'm definitely sure that he will. So guys, stay tuned with idhar bolo. So guys, hey guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give us a like for this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, and stay tuned with us for more. If you want to share this video with your friends who need this video and need this understanding, please do so. And remember, don't try this at home. This is a possibility. You know that it is going to happen. But if you have a large intensity issue, please hire a professional and then do it. Okay? Stay tuned for more, guys. Thank you.
I just wanted to make a tune that you and me can fall in love to that.
Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like button. How do you give a like button, by the way?